students that come out of Lincoln Tech are definitely prepared. They blend in really well with our existing workforce, and they're anywhere from maintenance techs that have been doing it for quite a while, all the way to master technicians.
The training's great. A lot of them come in with a lot of enthusiasm, and they're excited about the next chapter of their life. We like the fact that they've learned things, whether it comes from engine or electrical. We've even find a lot of welders here that we'll take on, because there's a big part of welding in the position that we're going to hire them for as well.
We've hired several folks from Lincoln Tech that work in our Denver office, and today we're probably looking for another 5 or 6 more. Yeah, we find them to be great employees. They're trained in all the things low voltage, high voltage. We're primarily low voltage contractor. They're also OSHA certified, which is the first thing we send people through when we hire them. So Lincoln Tech people kind of go to the front of the line at our company. They don't have to do all the internal training.
The school has great training. Lincoln Tech has some of the best equipment. They have some of the best material and great instructors. So the students come out that we see when we hire them, they're prepared for the industry, they're prepared for our training, and they have the basic skills and foundation that we're looking for to be successful in the industry.
Lincoln Tech has been a solid partner of ours, very impressed with their growth. But not only that, but we are getting students from all over the country, which is nice. And with all the openings of the new Lincoln Tech campuses, it's really spreading out to be able to be even a better relationship.
We're looking for new recruits is what we're doing today. We've been working with Lincoln Tech for the last few years and currently have about 25 employees that we have recruited so far from Lincoln Tech. Also happily employed, and it's just a great program to work with.
We're here at the career fair for Lincoln Tech. Funny enough, I used to be a student at Lincoln Tech. I graduated in April, and then I went through the interview process with the company I'm working now, Cintas Fire and Test and Inspect, and I got hired around May. What I really liked about Lincoln Tech was they showed you a lot of information, because when I started, I didn't know the difference between a neutral, a hot, and a ground. But I decided to take trade school to see what interests me. And Lincoln Tech offers a variety of courses from low tech to low volt to high volt to programming to PLCs to addressable systems. I really like how each professor has their own way of teaching, and they have a lot of resources available of how to present yourself professionally in business, while also providing the right means to understand the job you might be interested in, or to see what future paths you want to take in the industry.
We've got multiple students hired from at different locations throughout Colorado. Myself, I own a couple of CarStar stores, and we've got employees there now that came from Lincoln Tech, and it's working well. They're giving them a good base education to get them started in the industry, and one of the reasons we support Lincoln Tech is because of the job that they do preparing the students to be able to come into the collision repair workforce.
We have hired several welders and mechanics that one has been with us for over 4 years now. I absolutely love the students that come out of Lincoln Tech. They train them very, very well in all of their programs, and they also show them how to come and interview and also prep them for the work world.
I have heard a lot of great things about Lincoln Tech and what they bring in value to the type of individuals that we're looking for when we hire. They fit, again, I keep referring back to the culture. Very big to big O. We pride ourselves in the way that we treat our employees and the way that our employees treat consumers. So, and I think that falls in really well with the training style of Lincoln Tech. So we do have, and hope to continue to have a great future with Lincoln Tech.